What are you doing? Reaction videos and fun things. Hey guys, it's me, Destiny Simon, and today,
Hey guys, it's fine. Hey guys, this is me, Dummy. Where's that? Where's this?
Give that to me. Give that to me.
Oh, fine.
Okay.
Okay, we don't have you.
Madison. So today in this video, Madison, you want to get out?
No.
Then
But
stop.
Get out.
Shh. 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 So today I'm going to be teaching you how the refrigerator lights turn off. Because
now.
a lot of kids don't know how the refrigerator lights turn off. So I'm going to show you. Hi, Carter. You can't sing, but come on, Carter.
You may be awesome, but I shall use this whitish ball of power
I
to
don't know
knock
if you
down
can
the wall and break into Lammy's
There's
house.
Carter.
Yeah, Carter. Sweet.
Never you mind.
Okay, so okay. So the refrigerator, but Matt. So we're in the refrigerator. You see this? Turned off the light. But the thing is, how does this thing make the lights turn off? If that cannot move, like turn it off, Madison, move. How does it turn off? Well, I'll show you. Real closely. Real closely. Real closely. You see? It got pushed. So, look again. You see it? Oh, girl. So, that is how, Madison, get your finger out of there. So that is how the lights turn off in the refrigerator. I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.